Hey everyone, just thought I'd make this quick video and show you how to remove a front bumper on a version 12 Subaru WRX or WRX STI. So it's quite straightforward on these, and these are the tools you'll need. Just a basic set of tools, that's all you require. Trim removable clips. I like to use a set of nose pliers, a screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Just remove the bolts at the top. So we'll go ahead and start removing the bumper. So these are the type of clips you're going to be removing all over from the bumper. There's one missing there already. You might have seen me on the time lapse use a bit of lubricant on the plastic clips. Sometimes with older cars, or if cars are exposed to a bit of dust or dirt, they do kind of get stuck in there. So the lubricant helps pull it out easily without breaking anything. So once you have all your bottom clips removed, this side just pops out, just like that. So these bolts that you just saw me spray, they're a bit corroded, so to make your life a lot easier, it's always best just to spray anything like WD-40 or some anti-seize. Once that's removed, you can go ahead and take this off. So if you work on Subarus, you'll find that this design is very common on nearly all of the new modern Subarus, including the BRZ. Very straightforward, very quick to remove the bumper. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and pop this off. Don't forget to remove the bottom clip there, which I showed you before on the time lapse. Pop that one off. You'll notice that the grills are removed. You don't need to do that. This bumper is being prepared for a touch-up, so the grills are removed, but that does not affect your bumper removal. Similar with this side, just come here, pop it like that. These same clips are all underneath here, the headlight, so be careful and be gentle. So you might have noticed that the headlight washer cap has already been taken off, so this is it. I'll just show you how to take it out. So normally it's pressed in like that. So to remove your headlight washer cap. Put something that won't scratch the bumper here and just gently pull out. When you pull out, you'll notice, let me get a light. You'll notice there's a clip there. All you want to do is go ahead and pop that clip off. It's a bit hard doing this with one hand. With that clip here, and go ahead and pop that just like that, and you can slowly let that retract back in. So this is the clip I was talking about, just there. It's another reason why you got to be careful if you accidentally press this while going at 100k on your highway. These caps can blow off, so that's something to keep in mind. So that's how you take off that cap, and now we'll continue on removing the bumper. Normally I would recommend you get a helper, but since this bumper is going to be painted, it's okay. So that's how you do it. So these are the clips I was talking about. Now the reason I can't move the bumper any further is because I've got to go ahead and disconnect all the fog lights and all that. That's what I said, it's normally a lot easier to get a helper. So Subaru have conveniently positioned extra connectors, so it's not too difficult. So that's my little tip. If you're having problems pushing these connectors down, sometimes they can be extremely difficult. Grab a bolt or grab something flat and just push down on the clip here. It gives you that extra bit of leverage to push down, and you can pop the clip off that way. So go ahead and do it on this side and on that side, and then you're good to go. And that's how you take off your bumper. And if you need to take off your grille and all that, it's just bolted in. So there's just bolts all over there. I'll show you that clearly when I take off the grille. But anyway, hope this was of some help to someone. Please like and subscribe so that others can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you. So that's how you take off your grille. It's just held on by screws there. And then this grille is just popped in with clips. Similar with your spotlights, they're just bolted in. Top on there. And for those who might be wondering, I'll show you how to take off the grille off the spotlights. So see how they just got clips here? That's the part number if anyone needs it. So it goes in like this, and it goes in like that. So what you want to do is you want to pop this side out first. So this side pops out first. Put your plastic tool, pop this out, then pull this. Don't go from this side and try popping this out, you'll break it. So always start from this side. Start from here, pop that out, then pull forward. That's how the clips work. Just in case anyone breaks these and you don't want to take off your bumper, that's how you take off your spotlight grills. Once you take off your grill, all the screws, just pop these clips here, push them up. It was just these clips I was talking about there, this side there and at the bottom. Be gentle with them, you don't want to break it. When you remove all these clips from the back, the grill just pulls forward and pulls out. So when you're finished with this, you just pop the grill in there and it just goes back and it clips in place.